Hello guys, welcome back to LNApp. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to use Coinbase Wallet. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering how to exactly start using the Coinbase Wallet here. Well, using Coinbase or the wallet itself is fairly easy, but there are going to be a few things that you need to know here. So the basic or the main core features here for Coinbase Wallet. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously you need to access your account here. So I'm assuming you already have an account with Coinbase. Now, as you can see at the very bottom of your screen, you have 5 icons that you see. That you have that homepage icon, that global icon or globe icon, and we have that trade icon, that document icon, as well as the wallet icon at the bottom right here. So we have 5 choices here that's going to discuss each of them. So we have our homepage icon. Now our homepage icon here allows us to basically start viewing our homepage. So for example, if you've added or created watch lists in your account here, you should be able to see them in here. Like for example, if you want to basically get price alerts on certain crypto, you could go and set them up. So you could go and click on this one, just basically create a watch list if you want to. Now you can add a few items here like Ethereum, USDC, Solana. You can even search at the very top right here to basically add them. Now to add something to your watch list, you just need to click on the star. For example, I'm going to start this for our Ethereum, and you can go and click on turn on notifications if you want to receive updates on that. So as you can see, it's now added in our watch list. Now it should also give you the trending topics right now, or trending in base or different chains right now, and also some news that you might want to know here. So in this case, there are going to be a few things that you could do here, like minting a few news. So in this case, is something really cool because you can basically be updated with the what's trending right now, or even see what's currently happening. Now at the top right, this is where you see your notifications. If you click on it, you should see your notification, what currently happened. And also at the top left, this is where you'll be able to select your address. So if you want to add multiple wallets here, you can go and click on add or and manage your wallets. And just basically create a new one, add an existing one, import one if you want. You can even show your recovery phrase here if you want to start managing your already existing wallet. Now, next is we have the globe icon. Now, the globe icon here allows you to view different apps. Now, there are going to be different apps here that allows you to access the social network and also start collecting, start swapping. So there are on a lot of platforms that get access here. Like for example, you have Uniswap and Artlinks, Matcha, and a lot more. So basically, this is for websites that you could use for swapping, just in case it's not available on the native app. But yeah. Now, next is we have this trade icon or switch icon here. Now, this actually allows you to basically start receiving crypto or adding crypto to your account. Now, what we mean by adding crypto here is you could just basically start buying crypto into your account. Like for example, you go and select whichever crypto you want to buy here. Go and choose your asset. So I'm going to choose Ethereum here. Like for example, I want to buy like 500 Philippine peso here. Now, you could go and click on the top up button, and this should redirect you to the payment page here, which in this case, you just need to fill up the necessary details in order for you to basically pay for it and basically add Ethereum into your wallet. Now, you could go and switch to whatever payment method you want to use here. So depending on your region, some payment methods may be or may not be available. So in my case, I have Gcash being my here available because of my region. But yeah, so there are going to be some minimum here. Like for example, for ETH, minimum amount is going to be around 1,737 PHP. So you need to at least be in that range in order for you to buy it. But yeah, so you could go and click on continue to payment here and proceed on providing your payment details in order for you to buy your crypto. Now, if you want to receive crypto into your wallet, go and click on receive here and just basically copy your address. So in this case, you have Ethereum address here. You have your Bitcoin address, Solana address, Tron address. So you can go and click on the copy button here. Now, if you want to choose your Tron address here, there are going to be some steps here. You need to click on get address in order for you to get your address. But yeah. Another thing you need to take note here is they have their own network. So if I'm not mistaken, Ethereum here uses the Ethereum network, Bitcoin uses Bitcoin, and Solana uses the Solana network. So which the default chain for them. So just make sure when you're sending your crypto, you're using the same network as that. But yeah. So next is we have the document icon here. Document icon allows you to view your transaction history, which is something really cool here. So you can really see what happened to your wallet. You start managing, hey, what happened here? What's the current status of my transaction? This is where you'll be able to see them. Now, at the bottom right here, we also have our wallet. Now, it's quite similar to the swap button that you see before, but here it just gives you the overview of what your wallet contains. Like, for example, crypto, NFTs, or any DeFi. This is where you'll be able to see them. Now, you could also add cryptos into your wallet. So, in this case, you can go and click on Add Crypto, and same thing. You could go and add your crypto via this way. Now, you could also swap in this page here, which allows you to swap for another crypto. Like, for example, if you have ETH in your wallet, you could swap that for Bitcoin or in another crypto, again, depending on what you want. Now, I also have the cash out here, so if you want to basically cash out what you currently have right now, so this is something really cool, because you can basically use that for whatever means that you want to use. Like, for example, if you want to use it to spend on something and you've earned a significant amount here. But yeah, so in this case, that's how you use the Coinbase wallet. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to learn up. Thank you for watching.